6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 17 nautical miles northwest of Lynn, moving east at 45 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Eastern Point, Massachusetts, Beverly Harbor, Mass Baybury 44,029, the coastal waters east of Cape Ann, Sandy Bay, Ipswich Bay, Thatcher Island, Marblehead Neck, and Essex Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National.
Wow, they pretty much woke me up right on time again. Look at this. Only 5 minutes until I have to be up for work. So yeah, that one was actually kind of convenient. Thanks, Box. Anyway, griping about the weather. I'm going to very quietly go out to my computer and take a look at this thing. Yeah, I think it, yeah, that's actually a good size thing right up here. I believe this is all the remnants of the derecho that went through western New York last night. Yeah, this past night. You can see all of those warnings up here. Amazing to think about that it's already blown through to here. These things are racing throughout here. Yeah, these things are moving at like 50 miles an hour. That's wild. Anyway guys, Pilgrim EAS. I'll be back with anything else in the next probably half an hour. Otherwise, I'll recap it later. Peace out.